Hi, Noreen and Les here with Pat, and we are checking out what is in the cabinets for you. We thought the easiest way for you to get an idea of the inventory of what you have here in case you want to pick up anything else was to just do a quick video for you. So I'm just going to go through all the cabinets so you can kind of get an idea what is here. These look like some bowls. Number of plates. Matching bowls, salad bowl, coffee cups, let me open this up, it's easier to see it. There we go.
I didn't see any silverware.
Yeah, I think there's one drawer with some silver. I'll open up the drawers. Let's see. Some candles at the bottom there. Let's check this drawer. Some pots. Some more pots. Some pans. There.
Is that silverware or junk?
Some utensils. I haven't seen any silverware. That might be something that we need to get. Oh, here's the silverware.
Oh, okay. Yes.
There we go. And the Lazy Susan was empty. And then we just got underneath here. So very good.
Okay.